Hi, kids! I'm Miss Shelly, and welcome to episode 15 of our social superpower adventure. Today, we're going to learn a magical new trick: how to become a little star by telling stories. Do you love hearing stories? Well, guess what? You can tell amazing stories too, and your friends will gather around just to listen. Are you ready? Let's go! Telling a story is like opening a magical treasure box. It makes your friends think you're super fun. When you tell a funny or special story, they'll think, wow, this kid is awesome, I want to be their friend. There was a little girl named Lily who told her friends, one time I went to the park and a big goose chased me across the field. She waved her arms while telling the story, and everyone laughed so hard their tummies hurt. They said, Lily, your story is hilarious. Tell us another one. See? Lily used her storytelling magic and instantly became a little superstar among her friends. And guess what? You can learn it too. Want to tell awesome stories? Let's learn 3 cool storytelling tricks. Magic trick 1: choose a fun or meaningful experience. Before you start, pick something funny or special that really happened. You could talk about, my pet fish jumped out of the tank. Or, I helped my mom bake a cake and got flour all over my face. That kind of story will grab your friend's attention right away. Lily said, one time I fell during a school race, but I got back up and finished anyway. Her friends thought she was super brave. Choosing the right story is your magic key. It helps you win everyone's heart in a snap. Magic trick 2: use vivid words and feelings. When you tell your story, act it out a little. Use fun words and expressions. Instead of saying, I ran, try, I ran like the wind, whoosh. And don't forget to share how you felt. Like, my eyes went wide, I was so surprised. Lily said, that goose came honking after me, and I ran like a rocket. My legs turned to jelly. Her friends laughed and clapped like crazy. Vivid words are your magic paintbrush. They make your story come to life in bright colors. Magic trick 3: keep it short and use I. Stories should be short and sweet, like a movie trailer. Use I when you speak. For example, I almost tripped, but I grabbed the tree just in time. That makes it feel like you're chatting, not reading from a book. Lily said, I ran and ran, then hid behind a tree, the goose didn't catch me. Short, simple, and so much fun. Keeping it simple and using I as your magic wand, it makes your story feel friendly and real. So what's so great about telling stories? When you know how to tell a story, your friends will want to gather around and listen. You'll feel more confident, and everyone will think you're interesting and fun. After Lily told her goose story, her friends said, you're such a great storyteller. Tell us more next time. She felt like a little star, and so happy. Telling stories is like planting a tiny seed of friendship. The more you share, the more your friendships grow. Alright, that's the end of today's social magic lesson. Now you've learned how to choose a good story, make it exciting, and tell it in your own words. Don't you feel like you're ready to become a little storytelling star? Go try it, tell a fun story to your friends and see if they cheer for you. More adventures are coming next time. Bye for now, my little storytellers.